Oh no, you overslept. You have exactly 20 minutes. Today is your first day in an English school. Nobody speaks your language. You must survive using only English. Can you do? Let's begin. Let's assume you are in London and today is your first day. So wake up, don't explain anything, and just do your stuff. Let's start right now. So here you can see a game type screen where we'll learn today how to escape our first day at school. As the Ronnie will play the challenge. Let me write my name here. Sumit, start the adventure. Okay. So every morning, Ronnie tries to do his daily routine, but he makes funny mistakes. He brushes his teeth with a smooth, eats pancake for dinner, and goes to the school in slipper. Your mission is to help to Ronnie and learn English at the same time because Ronnie today is going to go to his first school in London where people only understand English. So let's go. So let's learn some daily vocabs. Okay. So what is this? Wake up. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Brush teeth. I brush my teeth. What is this? No, no. Listen it very carefully. Take a bath. Breakfast. School. Study. Train. Lunch. Play. Homework. Watch TV. And then sleep. We have finished these things, right? Picture sticks, story glue words, and emotional to memory. So now, with these words, we will teach Ronnie how to survive the mission one, that is the day first in his school. Okay, a simple grammar, the magic pattern I plus verb is equal to objects. I is the subject, verb is the wake up, brush, eat, go, anything. Anything which you are doing is anything which action you are performing is a verb, and I is the subject. Who is doing that? I is the subject, and object means after the verb, what is means breakfast, school, English, these are the objects. Means after verb means what action you are, the result of the action is called the object. Okay, so listen carefully. Speak with me. Ronnie wakes up. Okay, the spoon. He forget breakfast. Oh no. He goes to school in slippers. He studies English happily. Okay. He plays football with a watermelon. Wow. Fine. Ronnie sleeps. Good night, Ronnie. So this is the more or less, the whole day activity Ronnie is doing. Okay. So we came up with this. Okay, 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 okay. Now what we'll do? Talk like a pro. Okay, friends are asking. I wake up at 6 o'clock. The friends is asking, what do you do after breakfast? I go to school. Do you study English? Yes, I study every day. When do you sleep? I sleep at 10. So Ronnie is confident. He can do it. Now what's the mission is match the game. Tap the picture and then tap its words. Okay. What is this? Pancake. Pancake, pancake, pancake is breakfast, I believe. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, we are right. This is book. Book is study, right? Yeah, book is for study. You got it right. Alarm is for wake up. This is pretty easy. What is this? Bath. Take a bath. Brush your teeth. Yeah. Cool. So perfect. So now beat the robot. Drag Ronnie's day into the right order. What we'll do? Now you make it a order. What will be the order? First, Ronnie, what did Ronnie do first? First he do homework? No. Play, brush it, wake up. First he wake up. Let us take it. Okay, oh my God. It's a nice gamification, right? He wake up first, then he brush teeth, right? Then he brush teeth. Then after brushing teeth, he do homework or he used to play? Yeah, breakfast. He do his breakfast. Then after breakfast, he goes to school. Yeah, he go to school. Yeah. After that, lunch. Let's see. He takes his lunch. Then he plays. No, breakfast, school. Now homework will come down. No, after lunch he plays, then homework, and then sleep. Check order. Yeah, one star routine champion. See the memory chant singing. Break, school, study, lunch, play, homework, TV, play. So we are, this is the more or less the routine activity which Ronnie does and he can survive the school. Let's sing it again. Wake up, brush, bath, breakfast, school, study, lunch, play, home, TV, play. Okay, I memorized. Now it's your turn to speak with me. I wake up at 6. Listen, practice it like me. I wake up at 6. It's okay. It's giving great job, Sumit. It's green color. He is giving in the green color. I I brush my teeth. Great job. It's good. I eat breakfast. Okay. I go to school. Fantastic. I sleep at 10. 10, yeah. So I did it. Now, the parent mode. One game to play at home tonight. Daily routine card. Write each word from today on a small card. Shuffle the card and place them face down. Take turn flips a card. The child says I dash at dash o'clock. If the sentence is correct, keep the card. Most card wins. Why it works? Speaking at loud at home builds confidence 3x faster than silent reading. Got it? Okay, so he's telling me as a daily hero. So here my routine. So in this way, you can visit my channel for any other game like this where you can learn many things, you know, and these are the funny stuffs where you learn, with the gamifications like this. So we have, I have already seen, then we have the picture stick, the tiny story where we have used the brain science and then the magic pattern I plus verb plus object. Okay, so I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I study English. So next we will see how, means when the subjects change, then what happens, we will have a look. And like this, you can play the game with your child, and if you are a child, you can play like this. You can, uh, if you need the link of that, I can give it to you, and you can practice it. And once you repeat, yeah, and if you repeat with this, and you listen and you practice, you will be a good communicator and you can speak good English. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.